Hello friends, this is Jennifer from Samara right now in Bangladesh, and we are forward to our site with our clients and technician. Please follow us. Hello friends, Samara Jennifer again. Right now we are already on the site of the installation of 50 kilowatts wind turbine. You can see here is the basement, and the other one basement is over there, and the cranes are ready and all the products are ready here, and the pole is over there. For today we will install the pole, and later we will give the installation of the rest parts. Please follow us. Okay, right now we are ready to install the pole, but the first part we need to make the platform be equal, no this vibration, okay? We use this kind of equipment to check. The second part, we will lift up the pole, okay, like this, use a crane. Normally install one wind turbine, like big one, like 30 kilowatts, 50 kilowatts, need at least 3 cranes to make sure it can install on the same time, okay? Right now we have to put this pole on this basement. You have to check all the pole is matching first, okay? Okay, now we are install our second pole, and our workers is use this crane to lift up and connecting the second parts. Hello friends, the next step is connecting 2 poles, the up and the below one, connect them together. Our man is on the crane and connecting 2 parts. Today we are just installing turbine right now. This is customized one, so first you need to put this plate on the shaft screw and loose this screw here, loosen it. And then next is to make this circle flange. Use hand of the shaft. This is the second floor. Connecting this shaft with the first one and screw it, and then with another this plate. Okay, we will have 2 layers, so one by one. Okay, once the shaft is ready, so we will install the inner blades similar like this, one piece by one piece. Now the first layer of inner blades is finished, and put this second layer on, and we will done the second layers of inner blades. Okay, the first layer is installed ready, and we need to install another shaft on the top. Okay, right now you can see the 2 layer of the inner blades. What you see jump is ready, and we will finish the bottom part. No, the upper part. Okay, now we are install the arms and with the shaft, and use this kind of equipment to make it fasten. And our screw is very strong enough to make it not loose. Okay, after finish the arms, the main arms, we need to install the support arms, okay, to make it stable. And here is the screw, and also this part is make it more tight. Okay, you can see right now the arms are ready, but there is a problem you can find. In order to make sure the arms vertically in the same line, so clients use this to check. You can see right now they are not in the same line, so we needed to take this off and make the adjustment of the arms to make sure it's the same line. Okay, right now we already finished one plate. We want to inform you is when you install the plate, have to fix the top board first, then the middle, then bottom. Okay. After 1 day hard work, our technicians are very professional and find all the way to fix all the problems. Now everything is ready and our wind turbine will lift up to connect it in the pole. And our people is in the cabinet and will fix the bolts. Finally, it will be ready and then the wine it will cut out from this pole and connect it with the inverter and over there. Okay, then everything is done. But before it's used, you have to make the break of the controller to make sure the wind turbine is not running to make it safe. Okay, thank God, finally everything is installed ready and you can see our wind turbine right now is running.